Hello Procrastinators. Today I just want to share a quick tip with you. You may have seen these in other crafters videos. These are an IKEA product. It's basically a trash bag holder. From like when you go to the grocery store or whatever, you can store them all in there. But as you can see, they work really well for vinyl. I'm planning on labeling mine to have my vinyl and then have my heat transfer vinyl. Just a couple of things about this. They can go on the wall, or you can have them up on a table or a shelf or whatever, which is what I'm going to do with mine for right now until my office is completely organized the way that I want it. Another very important tip is that you want to buy this item straight from IKEA. IKEA, it costs $2 and some change, where if you go to Amazon, you're going to pay 6 times, 7 times as much for the same exact product. So just wanted to give you that tip as well. I hope these tips were helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any other storage tips that you would like to share with my viewers or my subscribers, I would love for you to share that information below. And I will see you all the next time. Thank you for joining me.